Hello guys, as you can see that our character trying to pick up a box from the ground, but our layer order is totally messed up. As you can see, left hand should be over the box and right hand should be behind the head. So how we can animate our layer? I mean animate, not drag and drop and rearranging our order. So the best option for that is to converting our layer into 3D layer. What's the advantage of having a 3D layer over 2D layer? That's really simple. As you can see that in 2D layer we can move our object side by side, that x axis, up and down, that y. That's all. But if we turn our layer into 3D, so how to turn our layer into 3D? You can see there is 3 icon. One of them look like a 3D box. We need to check the box under that layer. If you don't have this icon, don't worry, just click on the toggle switch and mode. Your icon will appear. So to turn your layer into 3D, just check the box under that icon. Your layer will immediately turn into a 3D layer. As our layer becomes 3D, we have third option, which is J axis. Now let me explain it. Y axis up and down, X axis side by side, and Z is our depth. So we will change the Z axis to animate our layer order. Let's select all the layers, click on P for the position. Now we just need to change our Z axis value to animate our layer order. So let's see, left hand should be over the box. So the third value, one click, then up and down arrow. So click down arrow. As you can see, it's over the box. So left hand done. Now right hand should be behind our head. So third value or Z axis value, up and down, up. Now our animation is properly arranged. Let's see. Before finishing the video, there is a small limitation you need to look after, and that is your all 3D layers should be together. If one of them, suppose this left eye, is not 3D layer, it will not work. So keep that in mind. Thank you guys.